Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by creating the game mode class itself. Choose C++ for control or blueprint for speed. Once done, register it in project settings maps and modes so the engine uses it. You'll also assign default pawn, player controller, and HUD here. That ties player behavior to the mode. Make sure to name assets consistently and store them in a logical folder. This avoids confusion later when you reference classes in level blueprints or C++ code. You now implement the core rules and state. In C++, override begin play, post login, logout, and any custom functions. In Blueprint, create event graphs for those same hooks. Use game state to track match-wide data and player state for per-player score and replication. Once done, implement server-side validation for scoring and respawn to prevent cheating. Make sure to test in listen and dedicated server sessions, because replication often behaves differently in each mode. Finish by polishing UI, tying UMG widgets to player state and game state variables so players see scores and timers. Once done, package and test multiplayer with multiple clients and a dedicated server. Make sure to simulate lag and packet loss. If things break, check logs and enable verbose networking, use the network profiler, and verify rep notify callbacks. One key troubleshooting tip: if replication isn't updating, confirm the actor is replicated and properties are marked replicated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.